DJI has been on a roll with product launches this year, but the latest leak has caught everyone off guard. A 360-degree action camera called the Osmo 360. While DJI hasn't made any official announcements, a leaked image of what appears to be a working unit has surfaced online. Several reliable sources believe the leak is authentic, suggesting DJI is gearing up to challenge industry leaders like Insta360 and GoPro in a big way. The first image of the Osmo 360 appeared on Chinese social media before quickly making its way to X. Unlike some questionable leaks, this one seems credible, with well-known DJI insiders such as Jasper Ellens, OCDLV, and Quadro News weighing in on its legitimacy. In terms of design, the Osmo 360 appears to be wider but shorter than the Insta360 X4, while being slightly bulkier than DJI's own Osmo Action 5 Pro. FCC filings back this up, revealing a compact dual-lens setup built for full 360-degree capture. The camera also features a front-facing display, easy-to-use controls, and a robust body that looks built for rugged conditions. One key question is whether the slightly larger form factor will be an advantage or a drawback. While the Insta360 X4 boasts a slimmer profile, DJI's design could translate to better durability, extended battery life, or improved heat management, important factors for action sports and travel enthusiasts. The Osmo 360 isn't just another action camera, it's a direct competitor to the Insta360 X4 and GoPro Max. While GoPro recently introduced minor upgrades to the Max, Insta360 continues to lead the market with its X series. DJI might be new to the 360 camera space, but they've proven time and again that they can shake up established markets. They revolutionized drones and gimbal cameras, so why not 360 cameras? If the Osmo 360 follows that trend, it could introduce game-changing features in stabilization, AI-driven editing, and overall image quality. DJI is already known for its industry-leading stabilization technology, and if they incorporate the same innovations used in their drones and gimbals, the Osmo 360 could deliver exceptionally smooth footage, even in high-motion scenarios. While a full spec sheet hasn't been released, leaks and DJI's track record give us a good idea of what to expect. The Osmo 360 will likely feature high-resolution sensors similar to those found in the Osmo Action lineup, ensuring sharp, detailed footage with strong low-light performance. DJI software has always been a strong point, and AI-powered tools such as automatic subject tracking, scene recognition, and smart editing could set the Osmo 360 apart from its competitors. Advanced horizon steady stabilization is also expected, making it an ideal choice for extreme sports, vlogging, and travel content creation. Another potential standout feature is wireless connectivity. According to leaked schematics from Photo Rumors and Hakasushi, the Osmo 360 has antenna placements on both sides, hinting at a focus on fast and seamless Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connections. DJI's MIMO app already offers real-time editing and effortless file transfers, so it's highly likely that the Osmo 360 will integrate smoothly with smartphones, making it easy to edit and share content on the go. DJI hasn't confirmed a release date, but since the Osmo 360 has already appeared in FCC filings, it's likely in the final stages of development. Typically, once a product gets FCC approval, an official launch isn't far off. Given DJI's fast-paced release schedule this year, the Osmo 360 could be unveiled before the end of the year. As for pricing, DJI is expected to position the Osmo 360 within the $500 to $600 range, putting it in direct competition with the Insta360 X4 and GoPro Max. Can DJI make an impact in the 360 camera market? If they get the software, stabilization, and image quality right, then absolutely. Insta360 and GoPro have been leading this space for years, but DJI has a track record of disrupting industries with innovative technology. If these leaks are legitimate, we won't have to wait long to see how the Osmo 360 stacks up. What do you think? Would you choose the DJI Osmo 360 over the Insta360 X4 or GoPro Max? Let us know your thoughts.